To utilize the Webull Community tab effectively, start by logging into your Webull account and navigating to the Community section. This tab is designed to facilitate interaction and information sharing among users, providing a platform to discuss market trends, share insights, and learn from others. Upon entering the Community tab, you will be presented with a variety of features and functions. The first step is to explore the different discussion boards, which are categorized by topic, such as stocks, options, and market news. Browse through these boards to find conversations that align with your interests and investment goals. To participate in the community, click on a discussion that catches your attention and read through the comments. You can then contribute to the conversation by typing in your thoughts and clicking the post button. It is essential to review Webull's community guidelines before posting to ensure your comments align with the platform's rules and regulations. Another key feature of the Webull Community tab is the ability to follow other users and create a personalized feed. By following users who share valuable insights and market analysis, you can stay up to date with their posts and engage in discussions that interest you. To follow a user, simply click on their profile and select the follow button. In addition to participating in discussions, the Webull Community tab also allows you to create and share your own content, such as market analysis and trade ideas. To create a post, click on the Write a Post button and enter your thoughts and ideas. You can also include images, charts, and other visual aids to enhance your post and make it more engaging. To maximize the value of the Webull Community tab, it is crucial to engage with others, ask questions, and provide helpful responses. By doing so, you can build relationships with other users, gain a deeper understanding of the markets, and refine your investment strategies. Furthermore, always prioritize credible sources and fact-check information before making investment decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively utilize the Webull Community tab to enhance your investment knowledge, connect with like-minded individuals, and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always use the Community tab responsibly and in accordance with Webull's terms and conditions.